7 credit card mistakes Americans make. Did you know one small credit card mistake can drop your credit score by 100 points or more? And the worst part, most Americans make these mistakes without even realizing it. In this video, we'll break down 7 credit card mistakes that destroy your credit score and how you can avoid them to build strong credit and financial freedom. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake number 1, only paying the minimum. Many people think paying the minimum keeps them safe. Technically, yes, it keeps your account in good standing. But here's the problem. If you carry a balance, the credit card company starts charging high interest, sometimes over 20% per year. That means a $1,000 purchase could take years to pay off and cost hundreds in interest. The smart move? Always try to pay your full balance every month. Mistake number 2, maxing out your credit card. Your credit limit is not your spending target. One of the biggest factors affecting your credit score is credit utilization, which is how much of your available credit you use. Experts recommend using less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. Maxing out your card tells lenders you might be financially stressed, which can lower your score. Mistake number 3, missing payments. This is one of the most damaging mistakes. A single missed payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. Even worse, it can significantly drop your credit score. The easiest solution? Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Mistake number 4, closing old credit cards. Many people close old credit cards thinking it will help their credit, but it can actually hurt your score. Older accounts increase your credit history length, which lenders like to see. Instead of closing the card, simply keep it open and use it occasionally. Mistake number 5, applying for too many cards. Every time you apply for a credit card, the lender performs a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many applications in a short time can make you look risky. This can temporarily lower your credit score. A good rule is to space out credit applications by several months. Mistake number 6, ignoring your credit report. Many Americans never check their credit report, but errors happen more often than you think. Sometimes there are incorrect balances, duplicate accounts, or even fraud. Checking your report regularly helps you catch problems early. Mistake number 7, using credit cards for everything. Credit cards are powerful tools, but using them for everyday spending without discipline can quickly lead to debt problems. The key is to treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can afford to pay off. Avoiding these 7 mistakes can help you build a strong credit score, save money on interest, and qualify for better loans in the future. Now I'm curious, which of these mistakes do you think most people make? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos about building credit, investing, and financial freedom, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the more you understand money, the more control you have over your future.